Hello friends, welcome to the Ultimate Health Guide. Do you know which foods are the worst offenders for feeding cancer cells? While we often hear about healthy eating, the risks of certain foods are less discussed. In today's video, we'll uncover the worst foods that fuel cancer growth and how to avoid them for better health. Let's dive in and learn how to protect ourselves. Before we dive into the list, let's understand why certain foods can feed cancer cells. Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments and can grow rapidly when exposed to specific types of food. By choosing the right foods, we can create a less hospitable environment for cancer cells and support our body's natural defenses. Now we come to the list of foods that we should eliminate from our diet. Number 1. Refined sugar. First on our list of worst foods for cancer cells is refined sugar. Refined sugar is highly acid-forming, which creates an environment conducive to cancer growth. When consumed, sugar leads to a spike in insulin levels, which can promote inflammation. Cancer cells thrive on glucose, and high sugar intake provides them with an abundant energy source, accelerating their growth. Moreover, sugar metabolism produces acidic byproducts, further disrupting the body's pH balance and depleting essential alkaline minerals like calcium and magnesium. Reducing refined sugar intake can help maintain a healthier internal environment, less hospitable to cancer cells. Next in the list is processed meats. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and hot dogs, contain harmful additives, preservatives, and high levels of saturated fats. These meats are often high in nitrates and nitrites, which can convert into carcinogenic compounds in the body. Consuming processed meats increases the acidity in the body, creating an environment where cancer cells can thrive. Additionally, the high protein content in processed meats can lead to an excess of amino acids that cancer cells use for growth and proliferation. Regular consumption of processed meats can significantly raise the risk of developing cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. Number 3 is aged cheese. Because aged cheeses have a high protein and phosphorus content, they include a lot of acid-forming chemicals, such as aged cheddar and blue cheese. These substances make the body more acidic, which fosters the growth of cancer cells. A common ingredient in aged cheeses is mold, which can cause mycotoxins. Mycotoxins are cancer-causing agents that can contaminate DNA and encourage the formation of cancer cells. Furthermore, the fermentation process that ages cheese can raise histamine levels, which can cause inflammation and encourage the growth of cancer cells. Aged cheese can feed cancer cells through increasing acidity, inflammation, and exposure to carcinogenic mycotoxins. Next worst food is caffeinated beverages. Caffeinated beverages, like coffee and energy drinks, contribute to cancer cell growth in several ways. First, caffeine increases acidity in the body, disrupting the pH balance and creating an environment where cancer cells can thrive. Additionally, these beverages often contain high levels of sugar or artificial sweeteners, further exacerbating acidity and inflammation. The high caffeine content can also lead to higher insulin levels, which promotes inflammation and provides excess energy for cancer cells. Moreover, the diuretic effect of caffeine can lead to a loss of essential minerals that help maintain pH balance and support overall health. Overall, caffeinated beverages contribute to an acidic environment that supports cancer cell proliferation. Number 5 is alcohol. Alcohol feeds cancer cells by increasing acidity in the body, which fosters an environment where cancer cells thrive. It is metabolized into acetaldehyde, a carcinogenic compound that damages DNA and raises cancer risk. Alcohol also impairs nutrient absorption, reducing the availability of protective antioxidants and essential nutrients. Additionally, it promotes inflammation and oxidative stress, further supporting cancer cell growth. By disrupting hormonal balances, especially estrogen levels, alcohol heightens the risk of hormone-related cancers. Overall, these factors create a more conducive environment for cancer development and progression. Number 6 in the list is hybridized wheat. Hybridized wheat, commonly found in modern bread, pasta, and baked goods, can contribute to cancer cell growth in several ways. Hybridized wheat has a more complex gluten structure compared to ancient wheat varieties, which can cause digestive issues and increase inflammation in the body. This inflammation creates an acidic environment that cancer cells thrive in. Additionally, the high levels of refined carbohydrates in hybridized wheat can lead to elevated blood sugar levels and increased insulin production, which promotes cancer cell growth. The body's difficulty in breaking down this complex gluten may also lead to further stress and damage, potentially supporting cancer development. Next worst food is artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners can potentially feed cancer cells through several mechanisms. Despite being calorie-free, they are chemically synthesized and can disrupt the body's natural metabolic processes. Studies have suggested that artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin may alter gut microbiota, which plays a crucial role in immune function and inflammation regulation. This disruption can lead to an imbalance in the gut environment, promoting inflammation and potentially creating conditions favorable for cancer cell growth. Moreover, some artificial sweeteners have been linked to an increased risk of metabolic syndrome, which includes conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes, known risk factors for certain cancers. While more research is needed to establish direct causation, minimizing artificial sweetener intake may contribute to a healthier gut environment and reduce potential risks associated with cancer development. Number 8 in the list is highly processed snacks. Highly processed snacks can contribute to cancer cell growth through several pathways. These snacks typically contain high levels of unhealthy fats, refined carbohydrates, and additives like preservatives and artificial colors. Consuming these snacks regularly can lead to chronic inflammation and oxidative stress, which are known to promote cancer development. Moreover, the high glycemic index of processed snacks causes rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to increased insulin production. Elevated insulin levels can stimulate cancer cell proliferation and growth. Additionally, processed snacks often lack essential nutrients and fiber, further compromising overall health and immune function. By promoting inflammation, insulin resistance, and providing little nutritional benefit, highly processed snacks create an environment conducive to cancer cell survival and proliferation. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods rich in nutrients and antioxidants is crucial for reducing cancer risk and supporting overall well-being. Last but not the least is legumes. Legumes, such as beans and lentils, are generally considered healthy and are high in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. However, certain types of legumes can contribute to cancer cell growth when consumed in excess, particularly when they are not properly prepared. Some legumes contain anti-nutrients like lectins and phytates, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and potentially promote inflammation if not cooked thoroughly. Additionally, legumes may be prepared or processed in ways that add unhealthy fats or sugars, contributing to an acidic environment in the body. This acidity can support cancer cell growth by disrupting the body's pH balance. While legumes are a nutritious part of a balanced diet, it's essential to prepare them properly and consume them in moderation to minimize any potential negative effects on health. So friends, this was the list of worst foods that should we skip from our diet. By avoiding these cancer-feeding foods and focusing on healthier alternatives, you can create a more balanced pH level in your body and promote overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. Stay healthy and see you next time.